Huawei Mate 2030 concept smartphone is a redesign of the foldable Mate X, except this one has a flexible pull-up screen and a flexible pull-up frames. The side edges on Huawei 2030 concept design are curved. The bottom and top frames are bigger for the foldable screen placement, along with the front-facing camera and the notification alert. The first half of the screen is non-flexible, the other half is flexible. Huawei appears to be gearing up for the launch of its brand new foldable smartphone, which is allegedly going to be dubbed the Huawei Mate X2. So far, the brand has not officially revealed anything about the specifications and features of the upcoming Huawei Mate X2, but the device is seemingly spotted on the Wi-Fi Alliance Certification Authority website today, which gives us some key details of its specifications. It also hints at an imminent launch. Take a look at the Wi-Fi Alliance certification for the upcoming Huawei Mate X2 smartphone and find out what it has in store for us. As seen in the Wi-Fi Alliance certification image, the Huawei Mate X2 has recently been certified. The Wi-Fi Alliance certification confirms that the Mate X2 will boot Android 10 OS out of the box. The device will work within 2.4 GHz to 5 GHz frequency bands. Other than what we mentioned above, the Wi-Fi Alliance does not provide us with any more intel on the device. That being said, the tipster claims that the Huawei Mate X2 will feature a Kirin K9000 series processor and a built-in HiSilicon Hi1105 chipset. The device is also claimed to support Wi-Fi 6 Plus technology. Now, in the latest development related to the Mate X2, the company is all set to start production of the display panel from September this year. It has also been revealed that the screen size remains the same as its predecessor, 8.3-inch, having 2480 by 2220 pixels resolution. Reports indicate that Samsung Display will be providing the 8.3-inch CPI panels to Huawei in Q3 2020, with a sales target of 300,000 units. As per the leak, the Mate X2 foldable smartphone will come with a quad camera setup that includes a 40 megapixels primary sensor, a 40 megapixels ultra-wide sensor, a 12 megapixels telephoto lens, and a TOF sensor. It will have support for features like 3x optical zoom and OIS. The device is expected to come in multiple memory variants such as 8GB RAM with 128GB storage, 12GB RAM with 256GB storage, and 16GB RAM with 512GB storage. It is also said to be powered by a 6000 mAh battery with 65W fast charging support. As of now, this is all the information that we have been able to gather surrounding the upcoming Mate X2 foldable smartphone, but we are sure to receive more intel on the same in the coming days. Whenever we do, we will keep you posted on the same. What are your thoughts on the upcoming Huawei Mate X2? Do let us know in the comments section below.